Hey guys, I wanted to take a second before we jumped into everything in the course to tell you a little bit about myself. So if you haven't taken any of my courses before, my name's Justin Kivel and I work in commercial real estate, and I've been in commercial real estate for the past 7 years. And I've had a really cool opportunity to work at a lot of different firms in a lot of different parts of the real estate business. And I've gotten to learn a lot about real estate financial modeling from some great mentors that I've had and some great colleagues that I've had. And I've gotten the opportunity to work with so many people that I've been able to figure out best practices for real estate financial modeling and get pretty quick and build out some pretty cool real estate financial models that have been really helpful in work situations and personal situations as well. So my goal with this course is to bring to you guys a resource for how to build real estate financial models, how to do it quickly, how to do it from an institutional perspective. So whether you're going out to try and find a commercial real estate finance job and you want to learn real estate financial modeling for the purposes of that, or if you're just an investor and you want to become better at real estate financial modeling so you can feel more confident about going out and buying bigger deals, this course is for you, and I built this course for you because that is me. So I work in commercial real estate private equity, and I'm always trying to get better at real estate financial modeling. I've gotten to learn from a lot of great resources and a lot of great people, and I thought, why not make a resource for other people based on what I've learned? So this is all poured into this course. I hope it's really helpful for you. If you have any questions throughout the course or you want to see more of anything that we discussed, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to connect. I'm happy to help you guys in any way that I can. So looking forward to getting started, and I will see you in the first section.